Hi, this is your Klotz tutorial team. Today we would like to present you the latest addition to our MIS Modular Interface System product lineup.
We have new MIS frames with 350mm depth and internal mounting options, and new audio modules in 28 units width.
What further possibilities do these new frames offer?
The new frames offer an additional mounting option in the middle of the frame. This means that the MIS splitter and distribution modules can be installed in the middle of the frame instead of the front or back. This simplifies internal cabling and also saves space for mounting audio modules on the front and rear. This allows the required overall height of the housing to be significantly reduced.
Are the established frames still available?
Yes, in addition to the established standard frame with a depth of 150 and 195mm, 4 and 6 rack unit frames with a depth of 350mm are now available.
What are the advantages of the new 12-channel modules?
The new 28 unit modules now offer the possibility to design the MIS system in a 12-channel grid. This provides more space per channel, which increases the plug-in comfort per channel and makes additional blind panels unnecessary.
With the 21 unit modules, the MIS system can be configured in a 16-channel grid on 19-inch width.
Thanks for watching. Find full information on our web.